intrusive, or what are your thoughts about it?
No, I found it intrusive. But at the same time, I believe you have the opportunity to do what's right for America, then you do it. And so I was trying to hold up to my civic responsibility. I believe and still believe that President Obama's agenda is more of a socialist agenda. It's not what our founding fathers had done to create, when they created this great country. To see it going more and more to the left, it scares me, and it scares a lot of Americans. So, John McCain, the Republican Party asked if I would help as far as trying to stump for him. I saw that as an opportunity to help my country. As far as saw it for personal gain, absolutely not, because it's hurt me a whole lot more than any kind of help.
Any other questions? Yes, in the back.
You asked for punitive damages. Do you have an estimate of what number you're looking at?
I'll let Jim answer that for you.
We're asking for significant damages in this lawsuit because of the serious violation of Mr. Wurzelbacher's constitutional rights. At this point, we haven't specified a particular number, but we expect to, and we'll seek, full recovery, for the harm that has been inflicted upon him.
Can you generalize, millions, hundreds of thousands?
At this point, we were not going to specify a particular number. So.
Yes. Right here again. You can ask him.
I guess I have to wait for the mic.
Oh, sure, thank you.
What are you up to now, Mr. Wurzelbacher? You said you're not allowed to work as a plumber, so how are you able to support your family?
Currently, I've been doing some work for PJTV.com. I went to Israel as a reporter. I'm not a reporter, but as a reporter. Kind of get a middle class, everyday look at what's going on over there and report it differently than mainstream media does sometimes. I've done Tea Party for PJTV.com. So essentially that's what I'm doing. That's how I'm supporting. That's about it.
Are you getting your plumbing license? Because I recall that there was an issue with the license. Was that what's kind of keeping you from plumbing?
Oh, no. Think about it like this. I show up to your house, say you lean way left. I did a great job for you because I only know how to do good work, but you don't like my politics. You sit there and say, Joe the plumber overcharged me, Joe the plumber broke this. That makes national news. As silly as it is, that makes national news.
So that's why you're not plumbing
Yeah, I've spoken to some of my plumbing buddies in town, and no one really wants to touch me right now because, they got businesses, they got family to support, and that's just an awful big chance, and I just... That's not something the chance they want to take.
Would you like to return to plumbing?
Oh God, yes. I love building. I enjoy it immensely. So
we don't have to worry about you taking our jobs here in the media.
now you guys do your job. Just do me a favor and stop doing it with an agenda. Not you specifically. I don't know your writing style, but I wish they'd report the facts as opposed to what they think.
There's been, if I can make an additional point, there's been a lot of news recently about the fight with Obama and Rush Limbaugh, and the alleged enemies list that the Obama camp has started up on. And it's our contention, that there's an open question as whether Joe the plumber was number one on Obama's enemies list. And we already have evidence that government officials were misusing government resources to, in our view, try to harm our client for speaking out against Obama. And Joe the plumber was the first to take it on the chin. Some members of the press now are taking it on the chin, and this case really speaks for all Americans, and really we want to stand in for all Americans here who shouldn't have to regret asking a reasonable question in a public forum of a presidential campaign. And this attack on Joe the plumber has a chilling effect on not only his First Amendment rights, but on the First Amendment rights of all. And anyone watching what happened to Joe the plumber is going to think twice about asking a question of a presidential candidate in the future. And this lawsuit is designed to say to Americans, don't worry, there are protections in law in place, and to say to those government officials who abuse the law, you will be held accountable. But our concern that the attack on Joe the plumber is part of a pattern and practice among Obama supporters of, frankly, illegal acts. And we aim to prove that, and we believe it's already been found by an official agency of Ohio, the Inspector General. But we'll see what discovery provides in terms of additional information. Any other questions?
What exactly is it that the Ohio officials disclosed? What's the
The fact that the law was violated simply by searching the database without any basis.
So you're not alleging anything?
The lawsuit does not allege that yet.
Okay.
Any additional questions? Do you have any other thoughts, Jim? No? Well, we appreciate your time. Thank you very much. And the lawsuit should be available soon, if it's not already up. The text on our website at judicialwatch.org, including also should be up on the website is the Inspector General's report for the state of Ohio that already found the misconduct by the officials that we're suing. So thank you for your time.